Bonjour! Bonjour!
No. Time for bladder check.
Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch Fear the Walking Dead Season 5, Episode 11. The episode 10 was really great. You know how much I appreciated it. If you don't, because you didn't watch my reaction video about this one, you can go check it. I really appreciated the last episode because, you know, I was not so sure about the first half of the season. Many things happened and a lot of them were great, but also a lot of them were bad, in my opinion. For me, really, the storylines about the first half of the season were really interesting, like the Men in Black, like the kids, like the nuclear plant, all of that. It was really interesting, really good ideas, but maybe they didn't explore it like they could have done, and that's why maybe I'm a little disappointed by the way that they wrote it, because they could have done better. It was great, it was good ideas, and they did a pretty good job, but they could have done better. And the really bad stuff that I didn't like during the first half of the season is the fact that their idea of making our group, our crew, being nice people, being people who want to do better, to do good, to save people, that's a great idea. That's something new in the universe of Fear the Walking Dead and The Walking Dead. People who are really optimistic, it's really something new, and it can be a really good idea to see how this optimistic way of seeing things can deal with the universe and all of that. It can be really interesting. It can be really a good idea. But during the first half of the season, they really wrote it wrong. Again, it's just my opinion, but for me, they really wrote it wrong because it was all about moralistic speeches, it was all about moralistic lines, not just one line in one episode, one line in one other episode. No, it was a lot of moments and a lot of lines and a lot of scenes in each one of the episode, and it was too much. It was too much because it was too obvious. You can bring a message in your show, you can bring really a big message in your show like that, like it's good to save people and it's good to do better and all of that. You can do that, but do it with actions, do it with your characters doing stuff for that girl, with your characters fighting for that girl and all of that, and the viewers are gonna be, okay, I understand why he did that, and okay, that's why, and okay, we can learn that from that action, from the consequences of that action. But if you are using your characters to really tell the girls and tell your message in each one of your episodes, and in a long moment, a long sequence, like the episode where they were interviewed by Al, it was the worst. Really, it was the worst because it was really just that. Just them speaking to a camera and saying moralistic speech all along the episode. It was the worst, in my opinion, again. But, and this is a good but, during the last episode, during the episode 10, it was great because we didn't have moments like that, moments where really I was just like, no, it's too obvious. No, there were messages, there were moralistic moments still, but it was not too obvious, it was not too much. It was in the context of something which was happening on screen. It was, yes, in an action, something like that, like the fact that Dwight chose to not kill that man, like Grace choosing to not be scanned, to not see what was going on, all of that, we can learn things from that, we can see a message behind that, but they didn't tell it, you know, directly to the viewers, and it was well done, well written. It was not just Dwight telling to the camera or telling to someone, okay, I want to do better, so I'm not gonna kill that person because of that, and you should do that, and that. No! It was not that, it was not too obvious. Even those moments which were maybe a little moralistic, they were not too long, too obvious, and all of that, so I'm glad, I'm really happy about the episode 10. And I hope so much that they're gonna continue like that with the rest of the season, because like I said before, I really loved the season 4. You know, after the season 1, 2 and 3 of Fear the Walking Dead, which were good but not great, not really great, the season 4 was really great. They brought really something new during the season 4, a new environment, a new color of the show, a new way of writing the characters. They took really big risks during the season 4, and it was interesting because of that. With this season 5, the first half of the season was not great, in my opinion. There were really good stuff, but also really bad stuff, and for me the bad stuff are higher than the good stuff. So really, I want this second half of the season to be really great, to balance all of that. We'll see about that. So now I'm gonna watch the episode 11. Let's go!
She's out there on her own.
Liar! You're just afraid of your feeling, Morgan.
I want to find her.
Why then? Maybe it's just one person? Of course! Be careful behind you! Be careful! We have... yes, this one.
Friend?
You're not killing anyone, really? Alicia, come on! I'm feeling sad for her to not be the one that she was. Okay, she had some issues, some big issues, I mean mind issues back then, but I really loved the badass Alicia, so I want her to be back, the badass Alicia, with a good and healthy mind also. You're gonna find your way to do that, Alicia.
You don't think we'll find her?
Why them? Why not just one person?
You go first.
Nah.
Alicia? He's on the case. Name's Wes.
Wes. I think that his intentions can be good. I mean, Wes' intentions. Logan knows that Wes saw the tapes, so maybe he's gonna follow him to find Alicia's group. Do you understand what I mean? Where are you? In the bank?
Might be time for a new stick.
Never.
How do you know the combination?
Yes.
The managers a while back.
Clever. What do you want to find just right here?
You don't think this might be overkill?
It didn't happen to us. These will survive. We're really gonna make me work for it, huh?
Really nothing to work for, Al.
Yes. You're in love and you are afraid of your feelings.
I wanna know how we do it.
Do what?
The
The trees?
Just to paint a tree?
It's just paint.
Yes.
and they see the world in a way, I don't know, I wanna see it.
Where are we going? To find his brother?
Home sweet home.
We'll leave you some gas.
Is it a trap? I mean, is he with Logan?
Wes.
Where are you?
Wes, go! I take it that wasn't your brother.
But where is his brother? Is he already dead? I wanted to meet him.
Right here.
Stop using guns! You're gonna bring more of them! That was really not clever. Strand! Really?
You brought us here so you could kill him.
No. I came here to get what he took from me.
So you don't have any brother? I'm gonna be mad at him.
Don't have one.
Ah! First lie.
You can't love me.
It's not really a good way to begin a relationship. How can we trust him now?
Can you see anything?
It's gonna come back, come on. This is just a gas used during manifestation. Really, I know that it's gonna come back.
I don't want to kill the dead, but I do want to help. I just don't know how both those things are possible.
Me neither. That's not great at all.
Tell me where the damn oil fields are. You know me.
Tac, tic tac. No, no, not just tick. Tic tac, tic tac. Yes, Morgan is really like, I'm too old for your shit, really.
It's gonna be a little caravan, but he's gonna help people.
What is it?
You're like, I'm tired of waiting for you to grow up or die. Bring it.
Yes, let's just say what you are doing. I'm tired of that shit. If you really want us to help you, if you really want us to understand why you are doing all of that, just tell us.
You want for son, we should just say,
Really?
so that you can help him let people or is it-
I thought he was gonna slap him. Morgan, come on. You're better than him.
You don't want people in your business. Don't put it on TV.
He's not wrong with that. Come on. Telling all of these personal stuffs in a tape, really. Of course your enemies are gonna learn that and are gonna use that. That's not being clever. It's being not stupid.
The guy was an asshole. Plain and simple. I just want what he took from me.
It's not something just material, you know, it's something about a memory or a person.
I lost a brother too.
Wow, you're so alike.
I love his attitude. Sorry, but I love it.
You died.
That was an easy guess.
You haven't killed anyone yet. He's still out there. You can help him.
I'm not buying it. If I'm not buying it, is he gonna buy it just like that?
Someone out there needs our help. This is what it takes, and this is what it takes.
Go for it, Alicia. I believe in you.
I'll believe.
I don't understand that. He is outside, but they can't go outside by the same door that he used. Alicia is gonna kill him or Strand like a piñata, like blindly? Nothing like a piñata, really? You've got it just right here.
You guys okay?
You've got all of them? He just saved her. She looked at him like that. Are we gonna have a new relationship right there? I'm not against it, but I'm not a fan of it. Friendship between a man and a woman can exist.
What we lost doesn't define us. I know what we're from.
Stop it! With the moralistic message, stop it and it will be great.
That's the time. You're getting it back.
But what do you want from him? What is it that he had? He's not dead! He was walking like a dead person! I'm shocked about that. Alicia. Oh no, you did it.
The manuscript.
You wrote a book?
It's good stuff.
It's the first person who read his stuff and you just killed him. Oh, it's not a good way to begin your successful story about you
Killed him
writing.
because he stole your book?
Maybe you can.
You're living without your book now?
Your book?
Yes,
You died for it.
it meant
You can keep it.
nonsense. She's gonna read it, she's gonna appreciate it. And what after that?
Wes was more than just read books. Trees. Wes painted them.
You find your guy. What are you painting, my dear?
Leave me alone.
Ah! You're gonna...
Yeah.
Are they gonna paint all of the trees all around this area?
I'm not running away from anything.
Yes, from Grace.
We can make sure you don't lose anything you don't want to. You can tell me about your work and stuff.
Okay.
She's good at it. Earthquake! No, it was not. What do you want, Logan?
Why?
In what? Oh, it's Al's bank. You're gonna see all of the tapes.
Journals aren't here. So much lost. Adios yesterday. I'm on tomorrow.
It was a good episode. Really, for me, it was a good episode. The moralistic thing that I did not like about the first half of the season was not during this episode, so it's a relief for me, really. I think that they understood what they did during the first half of the season, what they did wrong, and they chose to continue to have their group, their crew doing better, doing good, saving people, but not in a moralistic way of doing it. They are not a sect, come on. So yes, it was a great episode. I really like the character of Wes. I think it can be really interesting for the future. We saw a little of it, and his way of speaking, his attitude, I like that because it's something new, it's refreshing, you know, in a show like Fear the Walking Dead, to have someone like him. But the fact that he killed that man just because he stole his book, really, you are killing the one and only reader of your book? But he was the one who painted the trees. It was this one, and it's great because I didn't believe that we had people, you know, a lot of them, to paint all of these trees. I really saw that just one person was behind it, and it's great that it's him. And his relationship with Alicia can be interesting because we saw a connection between them. But I'm not sure I want it to be a love connection, you know, a love relationship. Maybe they can learn from each other and it's already enough. I'm not gonna be against a love relationship between those two. It can be interesting to see Alicia like that, to see Wes like that also. It can be interesting, but I'm not a fan of the idea that each one male character has to be with one female character and the contrary. You know, you can just have a relationship with someone without being a love relationship. It can be about trust, it can be about friendship, it can be a lot more than just love relationships. So if it will turn to be a love relationship, I'm not going to be against it, and it can be also interesting, but I will prefer that it will not be just a love relationship, really, because Alicia was inspired by the message on the tree, and Wes was inspired by what Alicia said, so I really like that, you know, them being inspired by each other. So, yes. I think that, of course, we're gonna see him another time. It was not just a one episode for his character. He was so well written, you know, it was really a built character. We can see that they took time to build this character, so I think that we're gonna see him again. It can't be just for one episode. So we'll see about that. The part with Morgan and Al was also interesting, but not as much interesting, I think, than the Alicia, Wes and Strand storyline during this episode. Because for me there is something that maybe I don't really believe in, you know, when Logan and Al were talking to Logan, like they didn't do what Logan wanted them to do, and Logan just let them go away. For someone like Logan, there were more people on the Logan side, like there were a lot of them with guns, and they didn't stop really Al and Morgan. I'm not sure I'm really buying it, that moment in particular. The rest of the storyline about Morgan and Al was interesting, but that part of Logan letting them go away without doing nothing, not sure I can really believe it. But okay, at the end we saw that Logan is searching for these journals, but they just stole Al's tapes, so they're gonna see the tapes, they're gonna learn a lot about our guys, our group. It can be dangerous to have your enemies knowing all of this stuff about you. It can be really dangerous because they can use that against you, you know. We'll see about that. I really liked this episode, really like the last one, and it's really, I'm really, you know, to like this episode like I liked the last one. After this first half of the season where I was really annoyed by it, you know, because I was loving some part of it but also really hating some part of it. So I'm glad that I really liked the two last episodes. I really want them to continue like that, because if they are continuing like that, it can balance it can balance the first half of the season, and it can make me really happy about this season, even if I don't like the first half of it, you know. So please continue like that. Okay, so it's all for Fear the Walking Dead for today, for me and for you. So it's all for me for now, so bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Great.